So we'll take a quick look at Weathertech versus a brand called Smartliner. I have Weathertech's up front, and I put a Smartliner in the back. Now my truck, I bought it used, came with the Weathertech's up front. Sorry, they're dirty. So I'm not exactly sure how much they cost, but they're a little bit over 100 from some experience I've had in the past. They feel pretty thick. They're molded pretty darn well up underneath the pedals, but there are still some, less than perfect fit scenarios when compared to what the commercials lead you to believe. But overall, good quality. I was going to put Weathertech's in the back and kind of cheaped out. I'm just trying to keep the booger pickers from making the back of my truck disgusting. So I picked up this one on eBay. This is a brand called Smartliner, and I got this for $63, and it's still molded to fit. Again, the fit and finish, as far as how it's molded, is about the same as the WeatherTech. The WeatherTech for the rear was about $110. Like I said, I got it for $63, and I've seen them as low as $53 on eBay and stuff. However, I will say the material feels thinner. It came rolled up in a box, and it may just not be completely laid out yet. Now the fit in here is perfect. Here we have a little bit of an issue with this, but like I said, it just came out of the box rolled up, and this part of the door sandwiches it. So I think once it gets hot in here, it'll kind of help mold itself. But overall, if you're not a brand name person, there's not a single brand. It doesn't even say Smartliner on it. If you just want a custom fit floor mat for your truck, I think Smartliner's a good option. So overall, pleased.